watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
If you have a small kitchen, don't worry. Even a tiny space can be transformed into a stylish and functional area. With the right decor ideas, you can make the most of your small kitchen without sacrificing style or comfort. Let's explore some smart decor tips that will help you achieve this. Beautiful turquoise kitchen. Combine white countertops, a window instead of a backsplash, and vintage faucets to create a fresh look. White kitchen charm. Use white countertops, a hex tile floor, and a windowsill bench for a clean and airy feel. Modern elegance. Opt for white cabinets, black countertops, open shelves, potted greenery, and wooden stools for a chic design. Functional white kitchen. Pair black countertops, open shelves, a folding table, and gray chairs with plants for a versatile space. Vintage touch. Butcher block countertops, a folding table, stools, and vintage pendant lamps bring warmth and character. Coastal vibes. White cabinetry, bold countertops, striped and plaid textiles, and pendant lamps create a cozy coastal kitchen. Neutral comfort. Design a cozy neutral kitchen with clean lines and simple, elegant touches. Sleek cream kitchen, gray backsplash and countertops, built-in appliances, and a window view for a modern look. Dark green cube, emerald walls and cabinets, butcher block countertops, and pendant lamps for a bold statement. Graphite gray, butcher block countertops, a black cart, black pendant lamp, and gray printed tiles for a sophisticated look. Green delight, white tiles, gray stone countertops, a black hood, and potted plants add freshness and charm. One wall green kitchen, stone countertops, a tile backsplash, and printed textiles for a chic, streamlined look. Gray and white elegance. Open shelves, gold touches, and printed rugs create a cool, stylish kitchen. Pastel accents. Gray kitchen with butcher block countertops, a pastel pendant lamp, and a gray cart for added storage. Light blue haven. Blue walls, stained and blue cabinets, concrete countertops, and a vintage pendant lamp for a soothing vibe. Contemporary light green, butcher block countertops, a folding mini table, and built-in appliances for a chic, functional space. French style, black and white kitchen with refined chairs, a round table, and gilded touches for elegance. Minimalist chic, all-white kitchen with skinny tiles, a window, and black built-in appliances for a pure, sleek look. Simple minimalism, white cabinets, top cabinets, open shelves, a stool, and a printed rug for a clean, functional kitchen. Monochromatic white, butcher block countertops, a white tile backsplash, and a round table with chairs for a timeless look. With these cool and smart decor ideas, your small kitchen can be transformed into a stylish and functional space. Remember, the key is to utilize light colors, smart storage solutions, and creative design elements. Happy decorating, and enjoy your new and improved kitchen.